What the fuck is up, wet weasels? We're on our next side mission. We're on our way to meet Grandpa Anthony. Yeah. Look, dude, look at this shit. I don't know if you can see it through the bug window, but I'll be honest, I haven't been looking at the road for the past 5 minutes. So.
Holy shit, the bugs are, you can just see how
we're just smacking.
You can't even see through.
Really? Okay, blows. We are going paddleboarding with Mr. Meltinmetalanthony himself. Yeah, wholesome activities. My lips are chapped as fuck. Feel like a fucking, like your butthole after a fucking 3-hour diarrhea session. We've been rocking the fucking
what is it?
Burt's Beeswax lip balm. Shit's fire.
A little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy. It's got a little bit of kick to it. Woo! This baby only takes Conoco diesel. We just got the Sinclair. We did not fill up. Nico, blow. Look at that. Holy fuck.
That's a 10. That's meant to go through a bear's head.
Holy fuck. We finished hanging out with Mr. Anthony himself. I had a great time. Very blessed to have him host us at his home and, you know, take us tubing down the river. We got to shoot some guns. What did you think, Nico?
It's pretty sick. I got this.
Okay, guys, riveting update. We've seen our first lake in the past 4 days now, man. It's absolutely fucking riveting.
This is the Red Rock Ranch. Very cool to visit. They do a lot of soaking here.
They do a lot of soaking here.
What is it with soaking?
Wait, does Idaho even have fucking Mormons, or is that Montana and Wyoming?
No, I think Idaho has Mormons too.
Oh, okay.
Or it might be Mennonites or something.
Hey, blows, we made it to Yellowstone fucking park. Apparently, if you're not a resident, though, it's 100 beans a person, so. Well, fuck, guys. I thought we left Vancouver traffic, but look at this shit. Look, blows. Blazing, blow.
Blazing. And his baby.
I just ate its brother yesterday.
Yeah, we were eating his brother. What's up, Blow? Hey, Blow.
Ooh, nice little bubble bath right here. Wow. Lovely, bubbly. Lovely, bubbly. I like this little swimming.
Really cool.
I don't know why it looks so pretty, but you can't swim in it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like a woman.
Yeah.
The prettier the woman, the
Or like those flowers that are like in the Amazon that are like super pretty and then they eat you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we found some fountain paint pots. Kind of smells like fart, but
Kind of looks like fart.
they're like bubbling. Can you see? They're blabbling. Pretty nice, man. I think one of these pools or something out here, there was a guy in like the 70s or 80s, and him and his buddy, just like me and Nico, were out here and they brought their dog. That's why it says no dogs at the front. So the dog jumped into the pool, got spooked, jumped into the pool, right? Instantly got fucking cooked. Like that's a foe right there. I don't know if it's this one, I think it was a bigger one. He dove into there to try to save the dog. Dog was just gone. He got out and instantly started like fucking melting, skin peeling. They like helicoptered him to the hospital. His Wi-Fi went out, so yeah, don't jump into the pools apparently, but it's like so tempting, man. Red spouter. You know what else is slippery? You know red. Oh, it's going.
One-way shoot.
Oh.
Oh, there we go, man.
6-7 years ago. 6-7 years ago. 6-7.
Oh, Blow, what the flick?
What's up, Blow?
Blow, look at this. Nice little river here.
Yes, very cool.
The situation in Yellowstone is stay tuned for updates. Like, look, it's going into.
Yeah, that's sick.
It's going into the freaking lake, man. We are here. Walk up here to the pools.
Oh, dope.
Okay, guys, you gotta guess. There might be a pool somewhere there. You just gotta use your eyeballs to like guess where.
Guys, so beautiful.
You guys see the crystal blue?
You guys see the crystal blue pond? It's right there.
It's fucking wet right here.
It's because the steam actually sits onto the wood and then it cools back down into water. Right now it's in its gaseous state. Now it goes back to its liquid state. There's no solid form of water. Actually, ice. We're starting to talk like the people out here. We're gonna go see Old Faithful Geyser. Hopefully she squirts for us.
Hopefully Old Faithful squirts for Big Papa. You never know, dude.
Damn, baby, if you were my truck, I'd put Sanex Premium Diesel in you.
Oh my God.
She squirted on us. Look at this.
What a beautiful day, guys. Lovely, lovely.
This place could really use a Roxy Sunday, though.
Yeah.
You know what?
I think right over there, Roxy would be perfect.
Ella Langley, man.
Oh,
it's like that shit. You know how they fucking, if you run up a gambling debt in Vegas and then they get you stuck. You have to do like the thing. Ella Langley, we're gonna make her stuck right here. We're gonna put a casino right next to it. Hopefully she like loses a bunch of money and then we'll be like, you gotta pay off your debt, so you gotta fucking sing at the Roxy for us. She's like, yes, I love the boys. And we're like, Ella Langley, you're the best. You're the best.
There's fart smellers, smart fellas, and then there's the Ella fellas.
We're the Ella fellas.
We're the Ella fellas.
She's the best.
She's the best.
She is.
Oh, she's the best. No, she's the best.
Maybe even the best. What class of rapids do you think that is, Nico?
This is a
3 million. Hey, Blosage, we made it to where?
Mammoth Hot Spring.
Where the springs at, man? All I see is...
I don't see no. It ain't even hot here, man.
We have a 2-kilometer walk, apparently, for some reason. Thoughtful of the Americans to add in fucking kilometers for us. Stupid fucking Canadians. Maybe it's the... Oh.
We are currently in Mammoth Springs. The situation here is fucked. Stay tuned for updates.
Oh, would you look at that? There's a little hot tub brewing up there. Well, we made it to the end of the trail.
Really fucking stinky.
Really stinky. Who's a fart smeller? I don't like the other Yellowstone more. Goddamn Cletus. Why you let your cows roam the fucking highway, man?
Okay, we got half rack ribs, some brisket, pulled pork, nice sausage,
Onion
pickles, onion, coleslaw, and mac and motherfucking cheese. This place is rated too. This was on Diners, drive-ins, and dives. Yeah, so to triple D. Try the mac and cheese. Okay, mac and cheese.
Okay, mac and cheese is good.
Little pulled pork. Oh, that's fire.
Goated?
That's pretty fire. Dip that in the sauce. Oh, that's stupid.
It goes stupid, silly,
That's
stupid.
stupid.
The guy at the hotel said that the bone might come off. Oh, it's coming. Oh.
How was that?
Dude, that's solid. Oh, and we got some kind of gold rush huckleberry lemonade. Oh, that's good. That's good, Nico, man.
So, how was it?
The ribs.
Holy shit.
What? Holy fuck, it's all gone, guys. This is Firehole Barbecue in West Yellowstone. 5 hours to Boise. I don't know, there's trees and shit. Look at that. Let him please, man. Wyoming would be fucking jealous about these fucking trees.
Yeah, holy fuck. I hated Wyoming.
It was fucking... The event was fun. But the landscape is just fucking depressing. And these 2 fucking blowjobs up front there.
Damn, man, come on, motherfucker! Fuck! Benjamin and you! Smite this motherfucker!
Hallelujah! We made it!
In your arms tonight.
We are at a fine dining establishment known as Twin Peaks, guys.
Let's go.
We're gonna see some... I'm so happy! The situation we're in is completely fucked.
Holy fuck. Idaho, out!
Okay guys, all the hotels in Boise are fucking booked, so I guess we're sending it to Vancouver. Either you see this video, or we're laying dead in a ditch somewhere, so... I don't know, I guess we'll see.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, we ball. Okay, good night guys.